ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಾಯ ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
Hi everyone, this is me Muhammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. I've got a call from industrial area Banimandap A layout stating that there is a snake inside the tile go down. So me and Rahmat, we are going together for the rescue. I'll continue the video once reaching the place.
So entering the tiles go down. So they have spotted the snake inside here. I've come here before. Last time I had rescued a viper. So now let's see what snake we have today. So they have spotted the snake coming from this gap and entering behind this stack of tiles. They say it is a big snake. So let's see. Is it? I think it would be a rat snake or a cobra. So Rahmat there is looking for the snake in that gap. We have to find the snake which is behind these stack of tiles near that wall there. We have a very narrow gap between the tiles and the wall, which is in between these two tile stack. So the snake gonna come from here. Aya. So the snake is here. क्या है? हाँ है देखो मंची उधर तुम्हारे पास आता. So we're gonna come from here. ಏನಣ್ಣ ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೈ ಕಾಲಿದೆ, ನೀವು ಹೊಡಿತೀರಾ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ ಬಾಯಿ ಇರೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಾಲ್ದಿಂದ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಡಿಯತ್ತೆ ಬೀಳ್ಸ್ಕೊಳಕಂತ. ಅದ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ವಿಷ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು. ಇಲಿ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದಿರತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಬಾಯಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕಚ್ಚಿದಾಗ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಅದಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಾಯಲ್ಲ. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಸಾಯ ಯಾವಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಗಾಬರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು ಓಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. So guys, the snake has been rescued after removing a pile of tiles which were lengthy and heavy. So the rat snake was finally found, and previously it was completely until to that saja, and now it is completely clear that a pile of tiles we removed and we got the snake in between this. So everything is done. We'll see you in the releasing place. So releasing the rat snake back to nature. So guys, the snake is back in nature, and if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family. Until then.